That's the sound of a $250 annual fee hitting my American Express Rose Gold account, and I'm thinking it's time for some retention offers. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on that like and subscribe button down below. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers and to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten. All right, Rose Gold card time. So is this card still a good card? Of course it's a good card. That's why I actually have it. And of course, if it's rose or regular gold, doesn't matter just how it looks. The benefits and rewards are all the same. The thing is that the Capital One Savor Card recently got refreshed to earn 4% back on dining. So that card with a $95 fee is pretty darn competitive to this. And you also don't have to worry about a whole bunch of credits and other benefits to use to make that Capital One card work in your favor. You just got a $95 annual fee or $250. So now that that fee hit my account right over here, I thought it would be a great time to chat up American Express to see if there's any sort of incentive for me to keep this card open for another year and pay that fee. And here is what happened. All right, welcome to my online American Express account. I pulled up my Rose Gold card and opened up the chat as well while zooming in on the screen as much as possible so it still looks good while also being easier to read. And I kicked off the chat by saying, hi, the annual fee for my gold card ending in super secret digits posted to my account, and I'm considering canceling the card. Then the automated bot responded by saying that a customer care professional would be with me shortly, and that's when Larry joined the chat. He then said, let me check it for you. I then said hello and thank you. And then there was a little bit of some more bot activity just saying that there's high chat volume right now, so there might be a bit of a delay during the conversation. He then transferred me over to another representative named Harold, who was part of the retention team. And I'm not sure why, but it came through as an actual hyperlink to Harold Yu's, profile. So I tried to open that in a new tab, and it just says failed to open page. So no, Harold does not have his own famous website with Amex, but nonetheless, I'm now talking with Harold, and then he said this. I see that you've mentioned your American Express Gold card. You are right to reevaluate your card membership with us. May I know what has changed that you are reconsidering this card now? Scrolling down a little bit, I said, hi Harold, I'm looking at the Capital One Savor Card, which recently updated its rewards to 4% on dining with a $95 annual fee. The Amex Gold Card offers the same 4x rewards in the dining category, but points are worth a lot less for cash back. Plus, the annual fee is $250. I'm having a hard time making sense of the Gold Card with that comparison. And here was his response to that. You do have a right to make a comparison, but you do have other benefits along with the 4 times points on US Supermarket. Let me share it with you. He then went over the chief benefits of the card, including earning 4 points per dollar at US supermarkets on the first $25,000 spent per year. Then triple points per dollar on flights purchased directly from passenger airlines or through the Amex travel portal. And then 1 point per dollar on all other eligible purchases, which was not exciting at all because every credit card should give you at least 1 point per dollar. So that's not really talking or communicating much high value there. Then moving on further down, he said you do have a $120 annual dining credit and $120 Uber credits annually, up to $240 total worth of credits, which is almost the annual fee for the card. May I know how much you typically spend at US supermarkets in a month? I then replied with typically $500. He then took me through some rewards math. If your monthly spend is $500 at US supermarkets, then you are spending around $6,000 annually, and that has potential to earn you 24,000 points. Just so you know, when you redeem these points to book airfare on our travel website or for select merchant gift cards, you may get up to $100 in value for 10,000 points, which means you can get up to $240 when redeeming 24,000 points on select gift cards or airfare. The best part is you're not buying anything you don't normally, so you're just putting your everyday charges on your card. And then came the juicy question, isn't that something that'll help you reconsider your decision and keeping the account open to get more value from this card? And I'll admit, he definitely communicated some very good value there with the points plus the credits all together. However, for me, that's still not going to do it. So what I said here was that unfortunately, the dining credits with Uber and Grubhub aren't of much value now that I'm no longer doing any food delivery. And at the moment, I much prefer cash back. It looks like those 24,000 points are only worth $144 cash. That's because points are worth 0.6 cents each when redeeming for a statement credit. So I'm sorry, but that won't work for me. Then there was a super long delay for some reason of over 20 minutes of nothing. So I then just said, are we still connected? It's been 20 minutes. And then he gave me the reason why. Some error in the chat must have happened. So then he said, I get your point about the points and the cash back. You are a valued card member and we would love to keep doing business with you. May I interest you in an offer to keep this card open? I then said, yes, I'll consider it. And that's when the offer finally hit. He said, thank you, because you are such a valued card member, you can earn 20,000 membership rewards points after you spend $2,000 or more on purchases on your American Express Gold account within 3 months of accepting this offer. The 20,000 membership rewards points will be credited to your account in 8 to 12 weeks after the purchase requirement has been met. This is our way of saying thank you for keeping your American Express Gold account open today. If you like the offer, I will need to send you a detailed disclosure, which will take a minute or so to read through. We would need your consent on the disclosure to apply the offer to your account. How does that sound to you? My reply was, that sounds good. Please send the disclosure. Then came all the fun terms and conditions about the 20K points after 2K spent in 3 months. Of course, if American Express finds that you're abusing or misusing their rewards program, they have the right to take your points back, withhold them, freeze your account, or revoke the points, whatever it may be. So of course, don't abuse your privileges with Amex. Also be aware that some purchases may fall outside the 3-month time period to meet the bonus. That means when you make a charge to your account, it goes to pending, usually for 1, 2, or 3 days before it actually posts to your account. So if any of you are going after a retention offer and get a spend requirement, make sure that you make all your purchases before the actual 3-month deadline. I'd say at least several days before, so that way all your purchases get a chance to post fully. Because if anything's pending when the 3 months hit and they post afterward, they will not count. We then wrap things up by him asking, do I have your approval to process your request to keep your card account open? My session is about to expire. Let's continue that. Yes or no? I then said yes right there. He said, thank you for the confirmation. Congratulations, your offer has been activated. And it was a done deal. Sweet, gotta love another 20,000 points coming my way, or at least later this year once I meet that spend requirement first. I'll now go ahead and show you a summary of what happened during the chat, as well as when I opened my card, how long I've had it, when the fee hit my account, all those types of details. But first, I do wanna mention the app MAXREWARDS. You've seen me talk about them in the intros and outros to a lot of other videos lately, and it's an app that I use myself personally all the time, especially for a feature like this. Here's a screenshot from my personal MAXREWARDS account with the notification screen pulled up, and I scrolled down a bit for the notifications back in September, and you can see right here the upcoming annual fee notification. It said my American Express Gold annual fee is coming up on September 22nd, 2021. You will get 2 more reminders. So that's one of the many features that I really enjoy and benefit from by using the MAXREWARDS app. The actual fee hit my card on October 22nd, although my true account anniversary was indeed September 22nd. So based on my billing cycles and when things cut off, I guess the fee kind of missed my cutoff date. So in other words, my fee hit after my September billing cycle closed. So it's got to go to the next month. But regardless, MAXREWARDS basically gave me a full month heads up that that $250 fee was about to post pretty shortly here. So I can either mentally set aside that money to pay that fee when it hits, or also remind myself to chat up Amex and see if they can work with me. Another awesome feature by MAXREWARDS is called Best Card to Use, and it shows you the best card to pick when you go shop at different places, whether it's travel, dining, grocery, other home utilities, and so on and so forth. So it shows you right there. You can see my Rose Gold card as being my #1 most high rewards earning card for groceries. And on top of all that, there's also a transactions feature showing me all the transactions across all of my cards on multiple banks in one ongoing list. And you can see right there, the second one down, Amex dining credit. So I got my $10 monthly dining credit on my gold card, so that can show me that I literally got my benefit used and I received that reimbursement to cover whatever food I purchased on that day. So if you have not yet signed up for MAXREWARDS, check out the link down below in the description. There's a totally free version as well as the paid gold version, but you can get the gold version for free and unlocking a bunch of additional benefits using my code down there as well. Now let's go check out the retention summary. So recapping a bit here, the card was the American Express Gold card. Mine was just the rose color. It was opened originally on September 22nd of 2019. So I've had the card for about 2 years and a month as of the making of this video, and the annual fee was $250. Then here's the quick version of the chat. First of all, me giving reasons to cancel, I compared the gold card to the Capital One Savor, which earns at the same rate, 4% versus 4x points, but it has a better cashback value, which is what I'm going after right now, and a lower fee of $95. The representative gave me some reasons to keep the card, which was the value of the credits plus the points from all my grocery spend, and collectively that's a greater value than the cost of the annual fee. So you can see my rebuttal there on the screen, basically saying I don't really use food delivery anymore, and I prefer cash back, which is a much lower value for your points than the airfare or the gift cards that the representative mentioned. And that rebuttal was effective to get my retention offer. So I received 20,000 points after spending $2K in 3 months. The value of those 20K points will be worth anywhere from about $120 up to $200 or potentially a bit more on average. Again, based on how you redeem your points, different types of redemptions give different types of values. And finally, in terms of previous retention offers on this card account, I have not asked for one in the past, so this was my first time going for it. So I will call that chat a good use of my time. If you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit other people, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications, because those types of activities tell YouTube this is a good video and they'll likely push it out to other people. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers and to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten. All the cash back you earn through that Rakuten portal is on top of the cash back you normally earn with your credit card, so definitely check that one out as well. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value, and it also gives you some confidence in going into your next phone call or a chat with American Express or any other card issuer if you also have an annual fee coming due and you want to ask for a retention offer. I'll see you all again in future videos, and while you're waiting on the next upload, remember that always you are great. Peace out from Amex.